Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this kitchen. Today I will show you how I prepare this yummy looking spaghetti. Let's get started. So these are all the ingredients I'll be using to prepare my spaghetti. In here I have my sliced onions, my chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be using one seasoning cube, my hot dog, curry powder, salt for taste, vegetable oil, sliced green pepper. I have some prawns, my sliced fish. This is the spaghetti I'll be using, and I have my tomato paste. So these are all the ingredients I need to prepare my spaghetti. I will just go ahead and put my water to cook my spaghetti. So after my spaghetti have properly sink into the water, I add a little salt. Then I stir it together, cover my pot and leave to cook. So after cooking my spaghetti for few minutes, I just go ahead and drain off the water, set it aside, then fry my fish. Fry my fish with a very low heat. As you can see guys, my fish is ready. So next is to heat up my vegetable oil, then fry my onions for a while. After a few minutes, I add my prawns, turn it together and fry for some time. Then add my sliced green pepper, then my chopped Scotch bonnet pepper and salt and seasoning cube. I stir it together properly, then leave to fry. After a few seconds, I add my tomato paste. My sliced hot dog, some curry powder, then stir and leave to cook for a while. Guys, the aroma is something else right now. My spaghetti sauce is looking good. So I just go ahead and mix it up with my cooked spaghetti. So after adding my sauce into the spaghetti pot, I stir it together properly, then leave to steam with a very low heat. So guys, my spag is ready. The aroma right now, it's so tempting. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, feel free to share, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. For my returning subscriber, thanks for watching. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.